Ever pondered which nations hold the most power on the global stage? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 5 most powerful countries in the world, based on a combination of military strength, economic clout, diplomatic influence, and cultural reach. Coming in at number 5, we have the United Kingdom. Despite its small size, the UK punches well above its weight. With a robust economy, a world-class military, and a rich cultural heritage that spans the globe, the UK remains a global powerhouse. Next, at number 4, we find Germany. The economic engine of Europe, Germany has long been a leader in manufacturing, technology, and trade. With its commitment to international cooperation and its influential role in the European Union, Germany wields significant global power. Sliding into the 3rd spot, we have China. With the world's largest population and a rapidly growing economy, China's influence is undeniable. Its technological advancements and military might are formidable, and its Belt and Road Initiative is extending its influence far and wide. In 2nd place, we find Russia. With its vast natural resources, major nuclear arsenal, and strategic geographic position, Russia commands a lot of attention on the world stage. Its cyber capabilities and its role in global geopolitics make it a force to be reckoned with. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the United States. With the world's largest economy, unparalleled military strength, and extensive cultural influence, the United States remains the most powerful country in the world. Its role in global institutions, its technological innovation, and its ability to shape global norms and standards underscore its superpower status. To recap, our top 5 most powerful countries, ranked from 5 to 1, are the United Kingdom, Germany, China, Russia, and the United States. Each of these nations holds considerable sway on the global stage thanks to their military prowess, economic strength, diplomatic clout, and cultural reach. Remember, power isn't just about who has the biggest army or the largest economy, it's about influence. It's about the ability to shape the world around us. And these 5 countries have that in spades. So next time you find yourself wondering about the world's power dynamics, think about the nations we've discussed today. They're not just countries, they're global game changers.